Hey, welcome to VideoTours360. Now let me ask you, how much would you like to make with VideoTours360? I mean, sure, the virtual tours and stores that you can now create with VideoTours360 would easily sell for $7,000 to $10,000. But with the basic version, you can only create 20 tours. So what do you do if someone offers you $5,000? I mean, because of the pandemic, businesses are trying to keep their costs as low as possible. But really, what will you do? Will you wait for a customer who will pay more? Or will you use one of the 20 tours you're allowed to create and sell it at $2,000 less than our research shows you should? That's a tough one. I mean, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush after all. Well, what if you didn't have to make that choice? What if you could take offers without worrying about your limited number of tours? Wouldn't that be awesome? What I'm about to offer you is going to make that possible. Presenting VideoTours360 Pro. Make your profit potential unlimited with unlimited virtual tours, unlimited projects, unlimited products, unlimited clients, and a lot more. But first, let me tell you about the most amazing feature that we have included in the Pro version that will help you quickly to grow your business. You see, with the basic version that you have right now, every time you create a virtual tour or an e-commerce 360 store, it will have our branding on it. But with the Pro version, you'll be able to remove that and replace it with your branding or that of your client's branding. This will help you build and promote your brand and authority. You could even charge your customers extra for putting their logo on the virtual tours and stores that you create for them. Now, there are a bunch of other reasons why everyone is upgrading to Pro. Like the Pro version removes any limitations inside the software. The main VideoTours360 license allows you to create 20 tours per month. Now seriously, we can only offer these 20 because hosting these virtual tours costs us a lot of money in terms of servers and human resources needed to manage everything. But we decided to pump in more money and get separate resources, including a faster server and a dedicated support desk for new members that want to profit more with Virtual Tours 360 Pro version. Now with this Pro version, you can create and sell unlimited virtual tours and stores. Create as many tours for as many clients as you like, therefore massively maximizing your profit potential. This alone is a total no-brainer, but we don't stop here. With the Pro version, you can also list and sell an unlimited number of products instead of 100 products that you were allowed with the basic version. This is why everyone grabs the Pro version quickly. And today, you could get it at the lowest price possible. Imagine how much more money you could make being able and this deal is gone.